So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number, type HP DeskJet 6020E, select 6020E. So if this is operating system detected on Windows 10, but I am using Windows 11. So click to change. If you are using other Windows 7, 8, 8.1 like any, so installations process same. Okay, that is the. So you can see first this is software. So and this is required to internet. Okay, internet connection required to driver installations. So this is basic driver and this is offline installer. Didn't require to internet to install it. Now ready to install, ready for downloading. After completed, just single click to open. Now this is extracting to data to your system. Then yes, continue. Printer not found, try something else. So if you know the printer IP address, so you can select this, and if you connect to printer by cable, so connect to cable to laptop to your printer, and then automatically data next to install it.